In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page from your Wix site in just a few minutes. If you've been working on your website and realize that some pages are no longer needed or you'd like to streamline your site, deleting a page can be a simple and effective solution. Let's walk through the process together. First, open up your browser and head over to Wix.com. Once there, log into your Wix account if you haven't already. After successfully logging in, you'll want to navigate straight to your site's dashboard. This is your main control hub where you can manage different aspects of your site. Now, look for the button labeled Design Site and click on it. This action will take you into a more detailed section where you can make changes to the overall structure and design of your website. Once you're in, the next step is to access your Wix website editor, which is where you can edit the finer details of your site. In the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with a list of options. Find the item labeled Menus and Pages and click on it. This section is specifically where you can see all the pages currently on your site, making it an essential tool for managing your website's navigation. Now that you're in the Menus and Pages section, take a moment to browse through and locate the page that you want to delete. Once you've found the specific page, you'll notice a More Actions icon next to the page name. This icon looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options related to that particular page. In this menu, you'll see the option to delete. Clicking on Delete will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed with deleting the page. This step is there to ensure that you really want to remove the content, as once it's deleted, it might not be easily recoverable. After confirming the deletion, the page will be removed from your website and will no longer appear in the menu or on your live website. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're deleting the correct page, as this action cannot be undone. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Wix site. It's as simple as that. With this process, you can keep your site clean, organized, and focused on the content that truly matters to your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials on managing your Wix website effectively. Happy editing!